Mr. Ntanzi, just one aspect regarding your evidence that Sergeant Mabena wrote his cell phone number for you on a piece of paper and gave it to you.
Na uye nake wabhala ke ifone number yakhe ephepheni wakunikeza yona.
Nangathemba sengichaza amahlandla manje kodwa ngiphendule lo athi ngithi mina everyday bathi uMabena kashiya number yakhe la ngoba iphoyisa lelingifakile azange lishiye number yalo lapha.
I want to now repeat myself again. I said before that when I was at Valeria, they said Mabena should leave his cell phone number since the police official that arrested me did not leave his or her cell phone number.
Mabena ngemnika leli phepha bathi akayibhala ngemuva kuleli phepha leli abangicharge ngalo le nhlamvu.
And then Mabena wrote his number at the back of the document that I was charged with.
Uyayibhala uMabena number ingakho ngikwazile ukuyibona bangithathele le phepha ngathi ngibona iphepha ukuthi ayifani nale number le engiyibuka kuleli phepha namhlanje.
That is why I know his number, because I compared that number to the number that was shown in today's documents.
And that piece of paper with Mabena's number was then given to you.
Lelo phepha leli beli number kaMabena lanikezwa wena.
Likimi phepha leli phepha ngacharge ngalo le nhlamvu leli ngithala lamalungelo.
Yes, the document is with me. It is the rights, the document that explains the rights. So the document is with me. He's lifting the document where the number is written.
So when you testified earlier on that Mabena wrote his number on a piece of paper and gave it to you, were you referring to the notice of rights?
Ngale nkathi uMabena ke wabhala number yakhe ephepheni nje ubukhuluma ngale phepha lelama rights lelo uma ubosha bakutshela amalungelo akho.
Ngizophinda ngithi kuyilungisa kahle ngoba ngiyabona ubuza into engayikhuluma ngithi mina lapha ecourt uMabena sikhuluma ngeverily yasikhuluma ngephukeni uMabena iphepha ulike ephukeni lingena number.
Macana, I'll now explain myself again. We are now speaking about Valeria. We are talking here about Valeria, not the happenings in Phuket.
Mangifike Valeria ngelanga lokuqala ngele ngalo. Azange bakhuluma indaba yenamba ngafika amaphoyisa ayithu ngifaka iphoyisa bathi utsika iphoyisa ngangena ngale eValeria qala ungena mina.
When I arrived at Valeria on my first day, there was a police official by the name of Tsika, who's the one who detained me.
Mangikhumbula futhi lapho ngangizoya ecourt inamba lo Mabena uyibhala mina sibuye ecourt. Ngibuye ecourt lecourt yasehlabana.
This
ngoba Valeria ngangikhala ngithi lapha angifonisiwa ngefoni ngikhala ngesikhalazo nangaphela ngangingafoniswa ngehlalelo.
Because at Valeria I had a complaint that I'm not given access to a phone.
And your explanation just before the long adjournment, what was the did you not say that the purpose why the number was given to you was that if there are any needs that Mabena should be contacted?
If
you have any needs, your family should contact Mabena. Was it not your evidence?
Ushilo la inkantolo ukuthi ke wena leyo number le nombolo leka Mabena unikezwe kwathiwa kuwe ke le number siyakunikeza ukuthi mangabe khona mhlambe ke isidingo mhlambe ummeli mhlambe umndeni na ufuna ukuxhumana nawe basebenzise leyo number leyo.
Cha ngisho ngithi umndeni ngithi mangene complaint kukhona isikhalazo engikhalaza ngase police station bekwazi ukufonela uMabena ngisho ngumndeni.
I did not mention anything about the family. I only said if there's a complaint or if there's something I want to say, I can use the number. That is not the truth what we are putting on record.
But according to you, Sergeant Mabena ill-treated you. In fact, even on the 16th of June 2020, you say he hit you with an open hand. When you were arrested at Freedom Park.
Uye wathi uMabena ke azange kuphathe kahle akwenzile futhi nange 16 zika June uye wakushaya ngempama. ngale ngathi
Ngisho
uboshe lapha
njalo.
eFreedom Park.
Yebo ngisho njalo.
Yes.
Siphinde siye lapho ngithi mina angishongo into ngifuna number kaMabhena ePolice Station. Amaphoyisa asePolice Station asho njalo.
I just-
Ntombazana ngayithola ePolice Station eVereley.
I just also want to clarify something that I personally did not request for Mabena's number. The police official, a female police officer that was at Valerian is the one that suggested.
Ngimtshela ukuthi mina ngiyacomplaina ngibuya court noMabhena nomhali ngitshela ukuthi mina ngiyacomplaina ngefoni. So uma ukuthi mina nginesikhalazo ePolice Station bacela ukuthi bebhale inamba kuleli phepha abangicharge ngalo ukuze bezokhona banginesikhalo bathathe inamba babafonele ukuthi mina nginesikhalo lapha ePolice Station.
And she further said that I have complaints at the police station, so I should get Mabena's number so that if anything I have complaints or there's something that I needed, this Mabena's number can be used to contact him.
But according to you, Sergeant Mabena is the person who will treated you. Are you saying that he's the person that you would have filed your complaints through him, despite the fact that you say he ill-treated you, he hit you with an open hand, even on the
Usho ukuthi ke manje umzana Mabena njengoba nawe uyawabeka la enkantolo ukuthi ke umzana Mabena ke uyena umuntu oye wakuphatha kabi futhi ke ngenye inkandla futhi waze wakushaya futhi nangempama usho ukuthi Mabena bekungaba uyena futhi umuntu ongezwa izikhalazo zakho.
Ake sikhumbule phambi kosekade uMabhena ayiphoyisa. Iwona amaphoyisa angibophile benomhani bobayithuka.
Let's just remember that Mabena is a police officer and Mabena and Mohale are the two officials that arrested me.
Umthetho wasePolice Station angazi noma uyawazi. Mhlawumbe ngifike siqale lapho umthetho wasePolice Station mhlawumbe awuwazi. ePolice Station mawungena inamba yephoyisa iyasala.
And I'm not sure if you're familiar with the rules followed at the police station. At the police station, when a person is arrested, the police official's number has to be submitted.
Ejele la eKhosi Mapula kunenamba kaMlawuze emaphepheni. Umlawuze manginesikhalo mhlawumbe ngicomplain ngezithi bayamfonela umlawuze ukuthi umntazi unecomplain kanje nje akasiziwe.
Even here at Khoshimampuru, they have Mlawuzi's number. If I have any complaint and maybe I need something, they will call Mlawuzi and tell him that Ndanzi has a complaint he needs to be attended to.
Uzoyithola inamba yephoyisa lomuntu elimbophileyo noma ngabe yiphi protest uzoyithola inamba yephoyisa umuntu elimbophileyo.
You can go to any police station around, you'll find the official number of the police officer who had arrested a suspect at the police station.
yeah, we will check your evidence that you gave before the long adjournment.
Sizophinde manje ke sibuyele futhi ke kulofakazi lo besilokhu sikhuluma ngabo ngaphambi ukuthi siphume ke siye lunchini.
Can we then get back to the calls, page 82 of 200, case ID 1031227. Page 82 of 200, case ID 1031227, still part of exhibit DD5E Roman figure 1. Your number 6 October 2020 at 18:49:49 made an outgoing call lasting 1 second to a number 064-969-2839, 3G Queen Suite NGA is the tower. That number 064-969-2839 is given as Mashefa's number.
Mhlaka 28 October ngo-2020 isikhathi ke ku-18:49:49 inombolo yakho legcina ngo-6890 yenza ke ucingo koluphumayo luya kunombolo ke u-064-969-2839 inombolo yakhona leyo ke u-064-969-2839 ivela ke njengenombolo kamashefa futhi ke umbhokosho ke bekuyi-Queen Suda.
I think you did say Mashefa is your uncle, is that correct?
uye wachaza ukuthi umashefa kumalume wakhe angithi
Mina azange kusho umashefa umalume.
I did not say mashefa is my uncle.
Yes, what is the relationship?
Wona no mashefa ke nihlobana kanjani
Ngiyena
noma
kwabo omncane ngisho ngithi umalume.
Baba Mncane is the paternal uncle, I think.
Do you have any comment to proffer regarding this call to your paternal uncle?
Manje ke khona ufuna ukusho ke ngomncane ke ngale call lesikhuluma ngayo ke yange 28 zika October.
Mina Nkosikatolo ngangena phone.
I did not have a phone.
Ngise ngasho ngaqala phambi Nkosikatolo khona lambe ke yavela kwa ngathi mina lo muntu lo ukube wayefanelwa yemi ngangeke ngisokole ngento zokugeza nepahla zoqola umuntu unemoto mos.
I did mention before the call that if indeed this person was called by myself, I will not have any challenges with the clothes, with my clothes, since this particular person has a car.
The other calls that we wish to refer to appear on page 77 of 200, case ID 103 1227. It's a call from your number ending 6890 on the 25th of October 2020 at 19:48:44 seconds. It's an outgoing call and MOC lasting 1 second to a number 066-521 8,000 with 3G Queen Suite NGA being the tower. And
Mrs.
according to the phone book, that number 066-521 8,000 is saved under Nkolo Chiba, if the pronunciation is correct. Is index 238. How do you pronounce that name? Index 238?
Igama lilubiza kanjani le? Upronounce kanjani?
Mina ngilazi. Mina kuphela xolola sibiya ngaze tayibiza.
I don't know what you just pronounced now, but what is written here is Nkolo Sibiya.
Nkolo Sibiya. Yes. Sibiya is C-B-I-Y-A.
Usibiya lo mbhalwe ngo C B Y C B I 1 A.
Umbhale ngamaphi indlela.
It all depends on how one
Yes.
writes it.
Right. What is the contact to you?
Manje ke uNxolo Sibiya lo uyini now?
Asiludo mina naye.
Nothing. We are
But why was the contact then saved on your phone book?
Manje kungani ke ayasave ke encwadini yakhe ezingcingo?
umuntu engimaziyo nje.
It's somebody that I just know.
Yes, how do you know the person?
Umazi kanjani lo muntu?
Ngimazi kakhulu nangakithi endaweni.
From the village.
Yes, is he a family? Is he family? Is he a friend? Just an acquaintance? How do you know the person?
Umndeni, umngani noma umuntu nje omazi.
Ngumngane asewa kwaSibiya.
Is a
Asihlobo
friend.
futhi kwaSibiya.
He's a friend. I'm not from the Sibia clan, and I'm not related to the Sibia people.
Do you have any explanation regarding this call to Notolo Sibia?
Una incazelo ongasinika yona ke malana ke nale call le wena wayenza ngomhla ka 25 October ngo2020 le yaphuma numbereni yakho egcina ngo6890 isikhathi ku 1948-44 iya kuleyo nombolo le kaNoxolo Sibiya.
Cha. Mina azange ngimfonele, futhi ngangena phone ngesikhathi ifone ngahlwana ngoJune 16.
I did not phone her, my lord, and I did not have a phone. The last time I had the phone was on the 16th of June.
The other call that we wish to refer you to, it's page 76 of 200, case ID 1031227, still part of Exhibit DD 5E Roman figure 1. It's a call on the 25th of October 2020. Your number 6890 on the 25th of October 2020 at 16:35:32 made an outgoing call, an MOC lasting 1 second, to a number 082 0960 756. The tower is 3G Queenswood. Looking at your phone book, that number 082 0960 756 is saved under Msizi. It's index number 103.
Mhla ka 25 October ngo2020 inombolo yakho legcina ngo6890 isikhathi ke ngo16:35:32 yenza ke ucingo oluphumayo olathatha phela 1 second kunombolo lo ethi 082 0960 756. Lo nombolo ke lo 082 0960 756 iyavela ke la encwadini ezingcingo zakho njengo number 103 evela njengomsisi.
Now, who is Msizi?
Iphinde number la sesikhuluma. Ngisho.
Nay 103.
It's index 103.
Mina ngeke ngachaza ngale number ngathi emayibhale umsizi lo igida ngoma elinye la ngapha kwanongoma. Ngeke ngaphendula ngale number lapha.
I had responded to this question before the court that Msisi is one of the dancers around Nongoma.
Do you want to comment regarding this call from your number to Msizi's number on the 25th of October 2020?
Manje ke uthini ke khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho ngale nombolo le ekhombisayo ukuthi inombolo yakho legcina ngo6890 yafonela yona number le kaMsisi mhla ka 25 October ngo2020 isikhathi beku 16:35:32.
Azange ngixhumane nomsizi.
I did not contact Msisi
Ngena phone futhi ngalo so.
and I did not have a phone by then.
Ifone ihlwane nami ngoJune 16 mangiboshwa.
The last time I had my phone was on the 16th June upon my arrest.
Another call that we wish to refer you to, it's found on page 83 of 200, case ID 103-1227, still part of exhibit DD 5E Roman figure 1.
Enye futhi ke call esifuna ukuthi uyibheke ile evela lapho ku number page 83 nayo exhibit DD.
Your number ending 6890 on the 28th of October 2020 at 19:23, 48 seconds received an incoming call, an MTC, lasting 558 seconds from a number 076-9326172. And according to your phone book, Annexure 3, that number is safe under index number 71 as Mpilo.
Mhlaka 348 inombolo yakho legcina ngo6890 yathola kucingo olungenayo lubuya kule nombolo ke u076-932-6172 ke elathatha ke 558 seconds and emasibheka ke inombolo khona le la kule ncwadi yakho ke ibhalwe njengompilo isave njengompilo. Yes, I can see that.
Yes, who is Mpilo?
Ubani umpilo?
Impilo ngwakithi ekhaya.
Umpilo it's umndeni.
Ya singasekatho sowe nekhala usinomusi basekhaya lo baba wakho nomuzi wakhe.
It's a relative of mine, my lord.
How are you related?
Nihlobana kanjani?
Ngithi Impilo ngwakithi kwaNtanzi uzalwa baba omncane baba wakho umuntu baba omncane kuye.
He's my uncle's child. I say uncle to his father.
Do you wish to proffer a comment regarding this call to Mpilo?
Manje ke uthini ke ngalo call lekhuluma ngaye ke ukuthi ke inombolo yakho ke yathola ke ucingo lubuya kuMpilo.
Because the phone ngeshwa la ngo June 16.
My lord, the last time I had a phone was on the 16th of June.
Another call that we wish to refer to, it's found on page 82 of 200, case ID 103-1227. Your number ending 6890 on the 28th of October 2020 at 18:40:56 made an outgoing call, an MOC, lasting 350 seconds to a number 0766 565,000. The tower is Queenswood, NGA. According to your phone book, this number belongs to Sibahle. It's saved under index 111.
Ngomhla ka 28 October ngo2020 isikhathi ku 18:40:56 inombolo yakho igcina ngo6890 yenza ke ucingo oluphumayo kila kule nombolo 0766565500 elathatha ke 350 second nombolo lesikhulume ngayo ke ivela lapha ku number 111 isave njengosibahle. Yes, I can see that.
Yes, and who's Sibahle?
Ubani Sibahle?
Mwakithi na ulamupilo ke lo.
Sibahle comes after Mpilo, like is a sibling.
So it's your paternal uncle's child.
Umntana kabamncane.
Ngisho njalo ulamupilo.
That's what I'm saying. That is exactly what I'm saying. That he comes after Mpilo.
Are you able to proffer a comment regarding this call?
Ungachazela ukuthi ke manje ke khona incazelo nayo ngale call le qhubha ngayo ke le yenza kamhla ka 28 October ngo2020 isikhathi ku 18:40:56 eyathatha 350 second.
Mina bangokosela ukuthi bana phone, ngangena phone, ifone yathatha ke ngo June 16.
I did not have a phone, my lord. The phone was taken from me on the 16th of June.
Ngoba namanje bangise Khosimapula yazange afonela uSibahle.
Even now, whilst I was detained at Khosimapuru, I've never called Sibahle.
Next call is on page 83 of 200, case ID 1031227, still part of exhibit DD 5 Roman in bracket E Roman figure 1.
Call elandelayo ke ku page 82 nayo exhibit DD.
Is the very last call on that page.
Eyogcina ke vela ikhasi leli.
Yebo ngiyayibona.
Yes, I can see that.
Your number ending 6890 on the 29th of October 2020 at 08:23:39 received an incoming call or an MTC lasting 1,105 seconds from a number 0711258029. According to your phone book, that number is saved at index 118 as Sifiso Zondo with the number 0711258029.
Ngomhla ka 29 October ngo2020 isikhathi 08:22:39 inombolo yakho ke legcina ngo 6890 yathola ke i-call ke kuya ku nombolo ke 0711258029 eyathatha ke 1105 second. Masibheka leyo nombolo le yavela la ku index 118 ivela ke ngigama elithi Sifiso Zondo 0711258029. Yes, I can see that.
Who is Sifiso Zondo?
Ubani uSifiso Zondo?
Ngosifiso Zondo.
It's Sifiso Zondo.
Yes, but Mr. Ntanzi, what we want to establish is what is the relationship between, we know it's Sifiso Zondo. What we want to find out from you is what is the relationship between you and Sifiso Zondo.
Mnumzane Ntanzi siyazi ukuthi ke uSifiso Zondo kodwa sifuna ukwazi ukubona ukuthi ke wena noSifiso Zondo ke niqhumana kanjani?
Ngiphendula inkulumo yakhe methu mangibuze mangidulukela ethi uSifiso Zondo noSifiso Zondo ngiphendula kodwa uSifiso Zondo umuntu wasehlabathini udlala naye ingoma naye.
Sifiso Zondo is somebody from the same village and we also do the traditional dances together.
Is he from Kotlokolo?
Uphuma kwaHlokolo naye?
Ehlabathini ehlabathini.
or from Ehlabatini.
Is it related to Shoes Zondo?
Uhlobo neke no Shoes Zondo.
Ushuze masosutha angazi ukuhlobana nobahlobana.
Shoes is from Osotho. I'm not aware if they are related.
Do you want to comment regarding this call?
Manje khona ufuna ukusho ngale call evelayo ukuthi inombolo yakho egcina ngo6890 ngomhla ka29 October ngo22 28 October 2020 isikhathi ku082239 yathola kucingo vele kuya kuyena ke uSifiso Zondo inombolo yakhe ku011 258029 elathatha 1105 second.
Kwasenkantolo mina ngangena phone.
My lord, I did not have the phone.
Ngoba ngiNosifiso Zondo kumcela ngamcela ngamalanga ecorona nje kumgcina hlele emakhaya.
The last time I saw Sifiso Zondo was during the corona days when we were at the homelands.
The next call that we wish to refer you to is on page 83 of 200, case ID 1031227. The third call from the top.
Sesifuna ukukhuluma ke ngalenye futhi ke call ke kulapha page 83 na exhibit DD.
Still part of Exhibit DD 5E Roman figure 1. Your number ending 6890 on the 28th of October 2020 at 19:23:48 received an incoming call, an MTC lasting 558 seconds from a number 07693266172, the Towers 3G Queensuit NGA.
Inombolo yakho ke legcina ngo6890 mhla ka28 October ngo2020 isikhathi ke so19:23:48 sathola ke ucingo ke olubuya ke kunombolo ke u0769326172 elaba 558 second umboshongo ke Queensuit.
We'll come back to this call. We'll come back to this call.
Sizophinda futhi sibuye futhi kule call isiqeda ukukhuluma ngayo manje.
The next call that we wish to refer to is found on page 82 of 200. It's case ID 1031227. It's almost in the middle of the page. Your number ending 6890 on the 28th of October 2020 at 18:27:46 made an outgoing call, an MOC lasting 156 seconds to a number 076-211-6671 with 3G Queensuit NGA being the tower.
Ngomhla ka 28 October ngo2020 inombolo yakho egcina ngo6890 Isikhathi ke ku 1827:46 yenza ucingo oluphumayo ke kunombolo ke 076 211 6671 eyaba ke 156 second umbhoshongo ke ku Queenswood.
According to your phone book, this number 07621116671, it's safe under index 52 as Mashada's number.
Yona ke le nombolo esikhuluma ngayo ke u076 211 6671 ngencwadi yakhe ezingcingo ke iseve njengoMashada.
Yebo.
Yes, I can see that.
Do you wish to explain what the relationship is with Mashada?
Abudlelwane wakho noMashada yini?
Umfowabo kaMashef.
His Mashef's sibling or brother.
Do you perhaps wish to comment regarding this call?
Manje uthini ngalokuthi ke ngomhla ka 28 October ngo2020 inombolo yakhe egcina ngo6890 yenza ke ucingo oluphumayo luya kuyena lo Mashada olathatha 156 second.
Cha nkosi ngathi mina ngangena phone.
My lord, I did not have a phone.
Phone ngahlona ngoJune 16 mhla ngiboshwa.
The last time I had the phone was on the 16th of June upon my arrest.
Can we then get back to that call that stood down before the previous one? That's page 83 of 200. It's case ID 1031227.
Masiphinde sipele futhi le call le besithi simisile page number kulo page number 83.
Your number ending 6890 on 28 October 2020 at 19:33:38 seconds made an outgoing call and MOC lasting 535 seconds to a number 082 408 2958. And the tower is 3G, Queenswood, NGA.
Inombolo yakho le egcina ngo6890 ngomhla ka 28 October ngo2020 isikhathi ku 19:33:38 yenza ke ucingo oluphumayo lakho le nombolo ke u082 408 2958 eyathatha ke 553 second umbhoshongo ke Queenswood.
According to your phone book, index 155, that number is saved under, and I hope I pronounce it correctly, Ndunla. The number 082 408 2958. Do you see that?
Index 115.
It's index 155.
Yabona inombolo le lincwadi yakho ezingcingo isave ke njengo Ndunia.
Is that the correct pronunciation?
Ubizwa kanjalo leli gama?
Cha ufundi yo. Ngizosho njalo ufundi khona okubhalwe phansi.
You're not reading what is written down here.
Yes. Can you then just read out that name correctly?
Sicela ufundele le gama leli.
Lapho kubhalwa ukuthi Nduna umfowabo kaShozi lo bayelamana noShozi.
It is written here Nduna. It is Shozi's brother.
You don't pronounce the L that
U
appears before the A.
L lo vela ngaphambi kwa A as awumbizi yena.
Nethi la Nduna kubhalwe so Nduna. Nduna izulu engisikhuluma kusaze ngesilungu leshi.
Here it's written in Nduna. I'm pronouncing this in Zulu.
And
It's written in
ifoni
Nduna.
kaNduna ibibhala ukuthi Nduna Zondo. Manje ngaxaka ngathi Nduna waye ngabe kuthi phela number yakhe ngiyayazi ngiyaxakela kwakubhala ukuthi Nduna Zondo imile kanjalo.
And the number was initially saved as Nduna Zondo. I'm just surprised that the surname is not showing now here on this document.
amanye amanamba la yanxa ngoba anezibongo zabantu kodwa mase kuzabhela igama kuphela isibongo singaveli.
Because some of the numbers which appears on this document has surnames, however, other numbers don't have surnames. That puzzles me.
Njengalendlela ka 31 Simelana yayibhala ukuthi baba Simelane lo manje yanxama seqhamuza ukuthi nje Simelane kuphendula ukuthi vele inamba yakhe ngiyayazi.
And just in relation to index number 31, this number that is saved as Melanie, it was initially saved as Babis Melanie. I know this because I can recognize his number.
Do you want to comment regarding this call from your number to Nduna's number on the 28th of October 2020 at 19:33:38 seconds?
Manje thina kuloko ukuthi inombolo yakho ke egcina ngo6890 mhla ka 28 October ngo2020 isikhathi ku 19:33:38 inombolo yakho ke yafuna inombolo kaNduna le 082 408 2958 ekaba 535 seconds.
Kosengathi ngangena phone ifone ngahlona ngo June 16.
My lord, I did not have a phone. The last time I had the phone was on the 16th of June.
We are going to show you some photos.
Siyokhomba ke isithombe.
It's page 21 of 5471, exhibit 6.
Page 21.
It's on the screen. We see what appears to be a collage of photos, 3 photos, where these 3 separate photos that were combined together.
Siyabona manje isithombe esivela lapha ngithi lapha kumabona kude kubonakala ngathi ithombe zahlanganiswa ke uthi umshishisi ke bekuyithombe ezintathu ezahlukene ezahlanganiswa.
Yebo zithombe ezahlukene lezi thombe lezi zenziwe umdlangamandla so and la kusegcikela ubo kwamashefa la ngangihleli nomashefa la zenziwe umdlangamandla umshana kamashefa ezenza so lesi.
Yes, this particular photo with 3 photos combined, and Dlangamandla is the one who did the combining of these photos.
2020 ngamalanga ecorona ngihleli nomashefa.
And it was in 2020 I was sitting with Mashefa.
According to the metadata, this was on the 30th of March 2020 at 15:35:29.
Okay, ke metadata ithi ke isithombe lesi ke sange 30 zika March 2020 isikhathi beku 15:35:39.
Do you go along with that?
Uyavumelana nalokho?
Isikhathi ngesikhumbula ne data zangiyibona.
I don't recall the time, my lord, and I did not see the date.
We see the equipment make and model. It's a Samsung equipment model SMJ 260F.
Siphinde futhi sibone ke ifoni yasetshenziswa bekuyi Samsung ke imodel yakhona uSMJ 260F.
Are you able to comment regarding the equipment, make and model that was used?
Uyakwazi mhlawumbe ukhomenta ke ukuthi ngale Samsung okukhulunywa ngayo nale SMJ
yimi
model.
ngiphathe Samsung phamba kwasenkatho lezi thombe shuthwe ngefoni yami.
I was the one who carried the Samsung. These pictures were taken using my phone.
Sikhona nje esinye ingqoqo khona so kuhlela umashefa twana kodwa azange sibone lapha ekhodi.
There is another picture where I'm wearing the exact same clothes as it appears on the screen, but Bashefa was sitting next to me, but I've not seen that picture before the court.
The next photo is page 183 of 5471. Still exhibit 6.
Esinye isithombe esobhekana naso ke silapha ku page 183 exhibit.
Are you able to identify the male person there?
Umuntu wesilisa ovela lapha ubani?
Yimi.
It's me.
And the lady?
Lo wesifazane yena
Ngqobile.
it's Nqobile.
Just again for the record, who's Nobile?
Ubani uNqobile?
Umuntu owazwana naye.
It's a person that I was in a relationship with.
Were these two separate photos that were combined?
Lezi ke lithombe lezithombe ezimbili ezahlanganiswa.
Yebo.
Yes.
Yes. And who did that?
Ubani uyahlanganisa?
Lezi zenziwa yimi ke lezi lezi.
These pictures were combined by myself.
Do you remember when?
Usakhumbula ukuthi bekunini mawuhlanganisa?
Madata khona mangibuka isithombe lesi sinapha ngemkhona isithombe salamalanga la sihlele emakhaya ngamalanga ecorona mangiqhathanisa ziyokwenza ngalo malanga la ngisekhaya ngamalanga ecorona.
I cannot give the exact date, but looking at the picture where I appeared is a picture that was taken during the corona. So I would say that both pictures were taken around that period.
If you look at the metadata, we'll just scroll down a bit. There's a date and time giving 2020 11 20 at 16:05:45.
Uma sibheka ke idata ke khishwe ke ngesithombe ke ithi 20 November 2020 isikhathi ke 16:05:45.
Ngiyethemba lezi thombe eningi la ngeke ngakhala ngedate ngathi izithombe ezingishitshi date ukhose izithombe ngulomlungu lo wangekala ustand mawudeze ustand ezithombe ayishitshi date lezi.
I remember I had complained about these pictures, and I did mention to the court that the dates were altered. Host changed the dates on
Angeke ushitshe
these pictures.
ithombe za early before ngakaboshwa ishitshe lezi zidate sengiboshiwe mina sengisejele.
You cannot change the date on the pictures that happened before I was arrested and then change it to the date after my arrest.
So you say you are varying that date of the 20th November 2020 is not correct at 16:05:45.
Uthi ke le date evela lapha no 20 zika November 2020 isikhathi ku 16:05:45 akusiyona idate nesikhathi lesi.
Bese ngiboshiwe mina.
I was already arrested by then.
Lezi thombe ngeza early lapha ko March April May ngeza early lezi thombe lezi.
These photos were taken earlier than that, around April, March or so.
And you say it's, according to you, it's Lieutenant Colonel House who changed the date.
Uthi ngokuya ngawe ke uLieutenant Colonel Khoso shintsha ama date lapho.
Lona okhandele izithombe kulezi thombe ngisakhumela zifike nohoso lifike no Stan lo okhandele izithombe nguyoshintsha ama date ngoba ne number yami lapha ekhotha uthe number yami ya 2014 ekhuluma iphutha lapha baba kodwa ekhuluma ngakhuluma iqiniso.
The person who compiled this photo is the one that changed the date. I cannot recall whether it was Holtz or somebody else. And also my phone number. What's your phone number?
Ni phone yami ufika lapha ekhotha wathi number yami leka 060 wathi ngiya 2014 lapha sixhumana khona sengo Ashus namanje lokhu ngilapha ecourt angiboni lapha ngaxhumana khona no-Ashuzi mina.
Okay. And also that person testified that my number that starts with 060 is a 2014 number, which is not correct. And then he further mentioned that there was a point whereby I was in contact with the co-accused, and there's no way in this document that shows my contact with the co-accused.
Namanje nje kumile lapha eboxini phambi kwekatolo angakho nje ukuthi inamba yami ixhumana nomsola wokuqala, umsola wesithathu, umsola wesine, umsola wehlanu angakuboni la maphepha lokho ngimile lapha kodwa kuthiwa lapha ecourt sasixhumana.
And since I'm standing here, there is no document that has shown that my number has contacted accused number 1, accused number 3, accused number 4, or no accused number 5.
Angikuboni namanje lapha phambi kwecourt lokho ngimile.
Since I'm standing here, I don't see that information.
Yes, we'll get to that, but this is, as we put it to you yesterday, this is the downloads from Exhibit 6 by Warrant Officer Ndlovu.
Sizofika lapho ke lapho khuluma ngakhona okwamanje ke sakhuluma ke ngo-exhibit 6 ke lokhu kwenza warrant officer Ndlovu.
Iqiniso kube iqiniso phambi kwecourt akukho lapha engixhumana khona no-Ashuzi mina ayibe ngqo akukho lapha engixhumana khona no-Ashuzi nina nithethe no-Ashuzi siyaxhumana nangabe ehlele ebhoxini akukho lapha engixhumana khona lapho.
Let the truth be the truth, because it was said that there was a point where I was in contact with the co-accused. They are sitting here. There's no way, there's no a document that shows that I was indeed in contact with the co-accused.
We are busy with this picture, Mr. Ntanzi.
Mzansi Ntanzi, sasebhizi ke ngalesithombe lesi sivelayo ke la ku screen.
Ngiyakuzwa lokho kusho nazi izithombe esinazishintsha idate namhlanje.
I can hear what you are saying, but these pictures, the dates were changed or altered.
My Lord, will this be an appropriate time to call it a day, and we'll continue on Monday? Okay. We signal to our colleagues that given the traffic situations on Friday, we can end at 3 and continue on Monday. They don't have any objection.
Yes.